I was just walking last weekend with my dog Sophie on campus, and I have been on this campus since 1976 as a student, an administrator, and a faculty member. And I'm still in awe looking around when I was walking Sophie on campus of everything that's happened here and the changes that have been made. And I know, John, you're up in heaven looking down on us right now and seeing what's happening at Shocker Nation and the shaking and bacon that's going to be going on in the future because of you. I know you're doing that, and you're smiling and laughing and having a good time. John, you will be so missed by all of us in the university community, in the city, in the state. Thank you for everything that you have done. And as you always said, it's a great day to be a Shocker. You will be greatly missed.
All of you, welcome. Glad you're here today. And today, like every day, it is a wonderful day to be a Shocker.
It's a great night to be a Shocker, isn't it? I think that's one of those things. It depends on whether it's just a really, really good night or a really, really, really good night. It never gets worse than that.
Well, good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here this morning. This is really a great day to be a Shocker, isn't it? It's just as pretty as it can be out there, and we're having a great fall semester. WSU is an intellectual giant in the middle of the country that's awakening. It's setting direction, and it's moving with purpose. It is that giant that can reach higher than anyone ever expected. You have the capacity to reach the stars.
I mean, it really is fun. I'm looking forward to it, and I've been invited to speak a lot of other places, but this is the first time I've been invited to speak in front of a congressional committee.
Envision, each of you envision, being part of a university where creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship, and technology are making the future. My friends, that is Wichita State. Go Shocks.
Well, if I could register with a party here, I would register with the Black and Yellow Party, because it's anything for Wichita State. I don't care about party. I don't.
It's a real pleasure. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Indeed.
Thank you for your time.
Oh, good to have a chance.
What I'm really looking at is how do we as an institution, how do we as a university encourage the kind of thinking that allows us to come together to really make a bright future for all of us.
And for this video, you should know I'm sitting behind Clark Alberg's desk. We brought his desk back in here partly to remind me that this isn't new, this isn't different. This is who we were, and it's who we need to be.
Come on, folks, we can do this. Woo, woo! All right. That was fun. One of the things we're trying to do at the university is teach students that it's actually okay to have fun and be in college. One of the interesting things about Wichita State is that we tend to be very serious. And I really do believe when you're 18, 3/4 of the battle is if we can get you to laugh and have a good time, you'll do the rest of it pretty well. Recognize that the institution will outlive all of us, and generations yet unborn will benefit from what you've done. So thank you again for doing so.
You are the people who are making a difference every day for individual students, for our community, and for our state. You are why it is always a great day to be a Shocker. Thank you.